So how exactly do you use these things? Keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, Miss Me. For those of you who are new or returning, thank you so much for tuning in. Welcome to our channel, and today's video is going to be all about how to use the contact lens applicators as shown. So if you want to know how I use them and my best tips and tricks, then keep on watching. So I asked you guys on my community page, due to the fact that I had a previous video do very well talking about how to put in and take out your contact lenses, and I gave you guys an easy and fast way to do that. And so I wanted to make this follow-up video showing how to use contact lens applicators, since pretty much it's becoming the standard when you order contact lenses that the contact lens applicators actually come as part of the kit. I will be showing you guys a new color CL kit that they sent me as part of a PR package. I'll be showing you guys that in my next video, but it's super cute and super cool, and it has contact lens applicators along with a lens case and a mirror. So it's really cute and cool. And so I wanted to play around with these contact lens applicators and definitely use them, especially since you guys know I love to wear nails. So definitely using these applicators will definitely prevent tearing of your contact lenses. And who wants to pay for a pair of contact lenses again after they just got them, but they accidentally ripped because your nails scratched it? Nobody wants to do that. So I've been playing around with these, and so here is how I use the contact lens applicators to both insert my contact lenses as well as take out my contact lenses. So here's the demo. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I insert my lenses. Make sure there is no makeup on your eyes when you're getting ready to put on your lenses. I have makeup and my eyebrows on around the perimeter of my face, but not anywhere near my eyes. And I washed my hands as well. So I'm going to take these tweezer-like things to actually grab the lenses out of the case. Come on. There it is. You gotta squeeze them tight, I realize. And then I'm gonna put it right on top of here so that it looks like that. So that it looks like this. And then I'm going to take it, I'm going to open up my eyelid, see, really wide. Go like that. Oh! Crap, it fell. Run free. Take the lens, pick it up with the tweezers, make sure you pinch it pretty hard. And put it right on the little cup thingy. And again, you open your eye wide, like that. And there you go. You put it on in. Okay, so now I'm gonna take again the little tweezer looking things and grab the lens. Come on, come on. There we go. And I'm gonna put it on top of here. And I'm gonna take it and insert it in. There. That's it. Now to remove your contact lenses, I'm gonna show you real quick how to remove them. So you take your little tweezers, right? Pull your lower lid down. Pinch them. And you pull them out. Oh. And you pull them out, and then put them right into the solution. Okay? Same thing with the other one. Like that. Drop it into the solution. And these are plastic, so you don't have to worry about messing up the contact lens or anything. And that is how you insert and remove your contact lenses. Now back to the video. So what did you guys think? Did you think it was easy? I can assure you it was not. As you saw the little bloopers that I added in, it was pretty difficult, especially because I'm not used to using them. I'm used to using my hands to insert and remove my contacts both at the start of the day and at the end of the day. So using these applicators it was a little challenging, but eventually I did get the hang of it, and I definitely will give you a few tips. The first tip I will give you, as you saw in the demo that I showed you, when you're opening your eye, make sure you really open the top part of your lid. Make sure you push that back. It's going to make the insert much easier, so I definitely learned that. As well as when you are taking out or removing the contact lens, make sure you really pinch the little tweezers, I want to call them, to make sure that it's grabbing onto the contact lens and pulling it out. They are made of plastic, as I said, so don't worry about ruining your contact lenses. You're not going to ruin your contact lenses. The materials, the contact lens applicators, are made of plastic, so don't worry about that. Let me know in the comment section down below, have you used contact lens applicators? Yes, no, are you interested in using them? Why or why not? You guys know how much I love to read your comments, and thank you so much for any of you who use a discount code, or for any of you who even watch my videos and leave a comment or give me a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot, and I really do appreciate it. And it helps me figure out what kind of contact lens reviews you guys want to see. And any suggestions that you leave, I'm definitely going to try my best to put them into practice. And thank you so much again. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot, and I definitely do appreciate it. Share this on social media with all your contact loving friends, or anyone who is definitely looking into getting colored contacts and maybe they're a little apprehensive or scared about how to put them in, how to take them out. I've definitely gotten a few comments on previous videos about that, so I'm very glad to be able to help you guys any way that I can. So don't forget to follow me on my socials. I usually put them throughout the video as well as in the description box down below. I usually post a lot of my pictures over there, and so a few contact lens companies definitely have contacted me and wanted to send me their contacts, which I said of course to, because I know you guys love reviews. So I'm going to be getting those contacts soon, so look out for those reviews. Color CL also sent me a nice PR package, so look out for that review as well, those reviews as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn more about how to look and feel beautiful, keep up with the beauty community news or worldwide news, know about the latest fashion trends, and of course live a fun and healthy lifestyle, consider hitting that red subscribe button and clicking the bell notification. And I will check you all out very soon. Bye. Don't forget to check out this previous video right here where I show how to insert and take out my contact lenses using my hands, and the colored contact lens playlist. And I'll see you all very soon in the next video.